This looks absolutely massive, like it literally looks like a tent. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an ASOS haul and try on. I am literally so excited to show you these pieces. My ASOS parcel has been sitting here for days and I'm just so excited to get into this because I have been gagging to open up this parcel. I'm super excited to show you what I got. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like this video because it will really help me out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more videos like this every single week. And also don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I next upload. In the top right hand corner of the video you'll see my social media handles if you care to follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok. They're all up there. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So, I can't actually lift this up, like I'm not joking. I have to admit, I did peek in there though because I was just like, oh, I just wanted to see the stuff, but I have not tried anything on, don't worry. But yeah, this is the absolutely gigantic bag that I received from ASOS, which is insane. It's literally so heavy. Just like me carrying it upstairs to my apartment was a task in itself. So this is my ASOS parcel. I'm just so excited to delve right in and show you what I got. So, here we go. First piece, well, two pieces that I got, which are the things that I was so excited about and I am generally the most excited about wearing and styling. So the first thing is this really cool, because it's sort of like a shirt, but it is classed as a jacket or a shacket. I just realised that shacket probably means a shirt and jacket, so it's sort of like in between. Have I not realised that before? No! I'm so dumb. So yeah, this is a shacket, so it's a shirt and a jacket. So it's sort of medium sort of
several days later.
Weight in terms, you know, it's not too light, it's not too heavy. And yeah, it's just really cute. I'll show you in a minute, but I bought some really cute shorts to go with this. As you'll see in the video that I filmed a couple of weeks ago, it was just like a come shopping with me in quarantine video. I'll link it up here if you haven't already seen it, but you'll see a preview of this amazing co-ord set. It's just beautiful and it looks even more beautiful in real life. I just hope this will fit me. I wanted the jacket a little bit more oversized, so I think I got a 12 because I love just oversized sort of looks. Very excited about this. And then also I got the matching shorts, which are so damn adorable. And this little buckle belt, I love them so much. I just pray that they'll fit me. Because when I was looking through all the stuff, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit worried. Everything looked massive on me. I don't know what is going on. I used the Fit Assistant on ASOS and honestly in the past that has never proved me wrong. Like it's always fit me, anything I've got using the Fit Assistant, it's always fit me perfectly. I don't know, I feel like something's gone wrong, as you might see in the try on clips. Everything just seems massively big, but these look like they probably will fit me. So yeah, I'm so excited just to style this up. Thought this set would be really cute with just like a plain black top, maybe a vest top, maybe a crop top, and just something else that I'm about to show you in this video. I just thought it'd be really cute set and just look awesome. Like it'd be really cute outfit. I'm super happy. Hopefully it fits me. I'm praying at this point. I'm just so pumped at that. I'm so happy I got them. So the next thing I bought is this really cute. This looks massive. It probably will come up absolutely massive. It literally looks like it could be a shirt dress, but I think it's just meant to be like a normal shirt. But there's this multicoloured shirt from Collision, which is a brand that I have looked at a lot on ASOS, but I've never actually bought anything from Collision. This is really cute, and it's just got like different sort of coloured checks, and it's just like a really cool shirt. Like look at the back as well, it's just amazing. And this looks huge on me, so I'm not hoping for the best. I got a medium. It's really annoying on the website because I couldn't like do the Fit Assistant, so I was just doing it based on the usual sizing I'd go for. Because this is a unisex brand, I have a funny feeling that this is going to be absolutely huge, and this is more like a medium men's, but I don't know. It's weird. It looks huge, but I absolutely love the colourways. I just thought this would look cute with just some ripped jeans, some Converse. It would just be awesome. It'd be like the ultimate chill outfit. And yeah, I'm just praying this fits because I'm not hoping for the best at the moment. I just can't wait to style this up. This is going to be epic, hopefully. Being the prominent word there. So the next thing that I picked up are these awesome, I don't know why they're unzipped. Why are they unzipped? I have no idea. So the next thing that I picked up are these awesome tartan trousers from Collision as well. I got these in a size 12 regular, so hopefully this fits my legs, but let's pray. These are in a lovely pink and black colourway, which I actually don't own any pink tartan, funny enough. I'm so excited to try these out. I think these will look absolutely rocking. They look quite big, like that is the leg. And they look massive, but the waistline looks it will definitely fit me though, so I'm hoping these will fit as well. But these are absolutely gorgeous. Just thought as well, I'll leave all the details down below, like the items that I picked up, links, prices, my size, if maybe you have a similar fit to me. Like I'm 5'7", I think. And I usually fit like a 10 to 12 in the UK, well, standard UK sizing. If you have a similar sort of body type to me, then you might find that helpful as well. I'm so excited to pair these up with just some docks and just like a leather jacket. Oh, it just look rocking. I'm excited to pair these up. These will be awesome. I'll get a lot of wear out of these. They look super comfortable as well. Like they literally feel like pajama material, so of course I'm all for that. And then the next item of clothing I picked up, this is something that I wouldn't usually go for. Like, even though I love colourful clothing, sort of like the sports looks, is that right? No, the sporty trend that was popular like years ago. I wasn't really into that, but now, I don't know, I'm coming round to it a bit, and I think some of the pieces are actually quite cool, and it's obviously making a comeback. So, this is the next item I picked up, which I was in and ahhing. I was like, I don't know if it's my style, I don't know, but this looks absolutely massive. Like it literally looks like 10. I'm not even joking, it literally looks like 10. But this is a really cool, this is like from ASOS 4505. I'm guessing that's like another sort of sub-brand in with ASOS. But this is really cool. It's sort of like a zebra print, and it's got like neon yellow and like a beige colour. I just think it's super cute, like with trainers in the summer, like just like going to a barbecue or something like that. It would just look awesome, and it's just very effortless. Like you can just wear this just with anything and it look cool. I absolutely love this, and I got this in a size 10 because that's what they recommended me on ASOS. But this is a size 10. Are you joking?
Are you kidding me?
Hopefully it'll fit me, I'm praying. Maybe it won't look as bad as what I'm imagining, but I absolutely love the colourways. As well, on the waistline, they've got like a sort of like drawstring like you get in like sports luxe things. I don't know what you call this, just a drawstring. You know what I mean, you can see what I mean, but I'm super excited just to style this up. I think this would be just like a really chill outfit, just going anywhere and just, you feel fabulous. I just love it. I think this is definitely going to be a Marmite item for a lot of people, but I absolutely love this. I just think this will look so cool. So yeah, I'm super excited to style that up as well. And then I was a bit naughty. So, as you just seen in the Come Shopping With Me video, I had a bit of a debate with myself. I was like, what Vans do I actually get? Like, which ones will I love, will I wear a lot? I might have actually ended up buying both. My bank account is suffering right now, trust me. I got 2 pairs of Vans. I actually don't regret it at all. It might seem excessive. So, the first pair of Vans I got are these. I don't know how I'm going to show you this. They're just like the standard black ones. They just look like this. Obviously there's another one in there as well. They just look like that, and they're just super cool. My black trainers, my current black trainers that I got from Tesco that I absolutely adore, they are almost falling apart. Like at the toe, they're starting to come away. So I justify myself a pair of Vans because I've been eyeing up Vans for so long. It's just the ultimate shoe, aren't they? I've already got Converse, so I thought, why not have some Vans? These look super, super cute, and I'll just be able to style them with anything. Apparently though, they're a bitch to wear in, which will be fun. Like, that's what I'll probably be spending a lot of my lockdown doing, wearing these in. I mean, they don't feel super hard. Like, I'm just putting my hand in there now, casually. They don't feel super hard. Maybe they are a lot easier than what people have said, but online, people said they're really, really hard to wear in. They're like dogs. Hopefully, they won't hurt me too much and kill me. I just think these are super, super cute, and hopefully once I wear them in, I'll be able to wear them all summer long, all autumn long, and all winter long, and next year, and hopefully for years to come. Because my Converse have literally lasted me, like, I'm not even joking, like 6 years, and they're pretty much just about broken. I'm very excited. I love new shoes. And the other pair I got, I'm so, so happy I got these, like, honestly, these are life. So, the other pair of Vans I got are these super, super cute checkerboard ones. Look how cool they are. They just look so cool. The only thing I'd say is in the picture, it looked like the checks were yellow, but they actually are more sort of like an orange colour, which I'm still cool with. Like, they'll still go with everything. I love them. And I just love how they don't come laced, so you can lace them how you want as well. I think that's super, super, super cool. I'm just so excited to wear these in as well. They look really, really cool, and I'm just obsessed. Like, they're just so, so sick. So hopefully I'll be able to wear those in as well, and I'll look amazing, hopefully. And hopefully not have any blistered feet. That would be great. So this is the jacket and shirts cord. I absolutely love this. This looks so, so cute. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I'm so chuffed. Like, the shorts fit like absolutely perfectly. They're a little bit like, well, not oversized, but they're not super fitting, which is really good because I hate when shorts like get stuck up my ass and stuff. Like, it's literally perfect. Like, these fit my waist perfectly, they're not too tight, they're literally the perfect fit, which I'm so, so happy about. And with the jacket, this is a little bit more oversized, but I wanted it a bit oversized because I hate when jackets are too constricting and it's just not a vibe. I absolutely love the fit of this as well. This is exactly how I imagine this look. I paired it with just like a normal crop top. I got this from New Look like years ago. I just think this is like the perfect outfit. And oh, I cannot wait to style this up. This is gonna be so, so sick in the summer, in the spring, not in the autumn. I mean, it's quite warm, like it feels warm thinking it, but I think this is actually really, really cool. I absolutely love this cord. Oh, I'm so, so pleased. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this as well. This is an absolute steal. I love this so much. So this is the oversized check shirt. My instant thought is, I don't know. The sleeves are slightly big, and like, if I actually put my arms out, it looks absolutely huge, but I don't know if that's like the style. I'm sort of tempted to go for a small instead, but I don't know. Like, I like it oversized, but I don't know if this is a little bit too big. Like, just here, it looks a little bit too big on me. Let me know down in the comments though, I'd love to know what you think, whether or not I should get a smaller size. I think it looks a little bit too oversized for my liking. Oh, what a shame. I just could imagine this like just styled up. Like, I've got like my leather trousers on from Zara, which I think go really, really well with it, as well as the crop top I had on earlier. I'm digging this vibe, but I think this is slightly big for me. I'm not sure though. Let me know what you think. So these are the pink check trousers. I mean, don't know. The fit is fine, like the leg length, everything. A little bit baggy, but there's something up this crotch. It's just very bulging, like I've got a penis, and I don't know. I mean, it's not too bad like that, but like in certain angles it might look a bit baggy. I don't know, but the rest is fine. Like, the actual fit of them are they're quite comfy. They're literally like pajamas. I quite like them though. I don't know. I could probably get over the bulging thing. I love, love, love the colourway, but I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I should keep them, return them? I don't know. I love them, but the bulge thing, I don't know. I'm not sure. This is the yellow and beige zebra print dress. I absolutely love this. I actually forgot that there was a drawstring when I was like trying it on. And I was like, why is it so big? And then like I pulled the drawstring, I was like, oh, so it's actually looking really cute now when it's a bit slimmer. I really love this. I think this is super cute just to wear anywhere, just casually in the summer if we get any of the summer left. With some like Vans, with Converse. I just think this was super cute and just brilliant throw on for any occasion. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. So yeah, that is the end of my ASOS haul, guys. I didn't get like a lot, but it still cost me a fair bit. I did have some vouchers to use, as I explained in my previous video, so I didn't technically pay for all of this stuff. I sort of justified it by that, to be honest with you. And also as well, just as a disclaimer, I am gonna do another decluttering video because I've gone through my wardrobe recently and I'm still seeing stuff I just don't wear that I need to sell and get on Depop. If you aren't following me on Depop as well, I'll leave my @ here and down below as well if you want to follow me, because I'm selling so much of my old shit, like ridiculous amounts. So if you are a 10 to 12 or a UK size 6 in shoes, then follow me on Depop because you might find some absolute steals on there. I'm sort of tempted to sell everything quite cheap, so you might get an offer as well. So hopefully you might find something on there that you absolutely love, because I need to get rid of pretty much the majority of my wardrobe at this point. It's literally insane. I'd highly appreciate it if you would follow me on Depop and perhaps buy something from me, because I literally have like 5 bin bags of stuff that are just cluttering my flat at the moment. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video because it will really help me out, and maybe comment below what your favourite piece was or what you have bought from ASOS recently. I'd love to know it down in the comment section. And as always, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more content like this every single week. And also do not forget to hit the bell button because then you'll be notified when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. I hope you're safe and well during this difficult time and keeping sane. See you next week, guys. Bye.